You're going to swing your right toe forward, step back. Then we're going to rock back with the left, rock and step forward. And it's a quick rock and step. And then we swing that toe again, toe, step back, rock and step. So it's kind of like a fancy Charleston. All right, so right foot, here we go, ready to go. Toe, step back, rock and step. Toe, step back, rock and step. From here, weights on your left, we're going to step, lock, step, or shuffle forward, right behind right. Then we're going to rock forward the left, rock, replace. We're going to turn a half turn and shuffle over that left shoulder, cha, cha, cha. So weight is on your left and side. So let's practice just that part. Step lock with the right. If you don't want to do the step lock, you can just shuffle forward. So here we go. Step, lock, step, rock, step, turn, cha, cha, cha. We're going to take one more quarter turn to the left as we cha-cha to the side, cha, cha, cha. All right, so let's put those two together. Right foot, we're going to touch the toe. We're going to go toe, step back, rock and forward. Toe, step back, rock and forward. Step, lock, step, rock, step, turn, cha, 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 quarter, cha, cha, cha. Let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Toe, step back, rock and forward. Toe, step back, rock and forward. Step, lock, step, rock, step, turn, cha, 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 quarter, cha, cha, cha. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Toe, step back, rock and step. Toe, step back, rock and step. Forward, right, left, right. Rock, step, turn, cha, 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 quarter, cha, cha, cha. Weights on your right. We're going to do sailor steps now, which is just another like college level cha-cha in place. All right, so we're just going to take this left foot, we're going to go behind, step, step. And then the right foot, behind, step, step. So same count as the cha-cha, same amount of footwork, same amount of counts, beats, everything's the same where you place your feet. All right, so we're going to go left, right, left, right. And then we're going to do one more burpee. We're going to swing it around and a quarter turn to the left. We're going to swing that left foot behind, left, right, left. So 3 quick steps each time. Regardless of what happens with your feet, it's, we were here. Regardless of where you place your feet, it's left, right, turn, left, right, left. If you do them all in place, because you're new, that's fine, as long as you keep your feet moving. All right, so let's do it again. Left foot, ready, and left, right, turn, left, right, left. All right, let's try it from the top. Right toe, here we go. Ready, and toe, step back, rock and forward. Toe, step back, rock and forward, right, left, rock, step, turn, cha, 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 quarter, cha. Here we go. Left, right, turn, left, right, left. Let's do that again. Same thing. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right toe, step, rock and step. Toe, step, rock and step. Forward, right, rock and turn. Cha, 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 quarter, cha, cha, and sailor. Left, right, turn, left, right, left. So weight should be on your left. If it's not, just put it there. Weights on your left, we're going to go kick, ball, step. All right, so that was actually the end of that 8. So we were facing this way. Let's do our sailors with it. So we're going to go left, right, turn, left, kick, ball, step. All right, so from the top, we'll put that one little step in, and then we'll be on the last set of 8. So here we go. 4. Like normal. All right, right foot, ready, and toe back, rock and step, toe step back, rock and step, forward, right, left, rock, turn, cha, turn, cha, sailor, left, right, turn, left, kick, ball, change, weights on your left. Alright, so we're going to do heel jacks, or vaudeville, however you want to call them. So we're going to go cross, side, heel. And then we do the same thing again. And cross, side, heel. Only they're fast. Alright, so crossing with the right, we're going to go cross and heel. And we're going to take one more and we're going to jab back to the quarter turn to the right, cross, step, turn, step. And that's it. That's the whole day. Alright, sort of. There are a couple of sides. I'm going to restart. Back flip in the middle. Here we go. So from your cross and heel, right foot, we're going to go cross and heel and cross and heel and cross, step, turn, step. Weight should be fully on your left, so you can start the dance over again. Alright, so let's put it together slowly. Right foot, touch and toe, right and toe step back. Rock and forward, toe step back, rock and forward, step, block, step, rock, step, half, cha, quarter, cha, sailor, left, right, turn, left, kick, ball, cross and heel and cross and heel and cross, step, turn, step. Kind of sort of maybe-ish. There are easier ones, I promise, if you're brand new. Tonight is a mixture of beginner and improver, so this is an improver level. So here we go. Same thing again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Toe step back. Rock and step. Toe step back. Rock and step. Forward step. Block step. Rock, turn, half. Cha, turn, side, sailor step. Sailor step, turn, sailor step. Kick, step. Cross and heel and cross and heel and cross, step, turn, step. Alright, so here it changes up right away. We have one little tag the first time we see this wall. It's just a V step. You're just going to make a V with your feet. You're going to go out, in, and then you're going to start to dance. And we only do that once. Right here, the first time we see the patio. First time we see Tasha. Our favorite bartender. First time we see our favorite bartender. Alright, so she's probably like, oh, shut up. Alright, so let's try that with the beginning, right? So we're going to do it with that little tag, and then we're going to start the dance over again with our toe. So ready, and toe step back, rock and step, toe step back, rock and lock it, step, block, step, rock, step, half, cha, quarter, cha, and sailor. Left, right, turn, left, kick, step, cross and heel, and cross and heel, and cross, step, turn. What we're going to do, out, in, start again, toe, step, rock and step, toe, step, rock and step, block, step, rock, turn, half, cha, face the back, cha, sailor, left, right, turn, left, kick, step, here we go, cross and heel, and cross and heel, and cross, step, turn, face back. Alright, and the first time you see the back, we have a restart, 8 counts in. So we're going to do your toe, step, rock, step thing, and then we're going to start the dance over again. We're just going to forget the whole rest of it, just this time, and another time over there. But for now, just this time. So we're going to go. Toe, step, rock and step, toe, step, rock, and restart. Toe, step, rock and step, toe, step, rock and lock it, step, lock, step, rock, turn, half, cha, quarter, cha, sailor, left, right, turn, left, kick, ball, change, cross and heel, and cross and heel, and cross, step, turn, step. Alright, so everything stays the same until we see Tasha again. Alright, and then we're going to do that same little restart thing we just did there when we get back over there. So we're just going to keep going all the way through until we get over there. And then we'll do our restart. Don't let Simon forget. Jen will probably be like, here we go. Ready, and toes up, rockin' up, toes up, rockin' up, step, walk up, rock, step, turn, cha-cha, face front and sailor, left, right, turn, left, right, kick, step, step, cross and heel and cross, step, turn, start again, toe, step, rockin' step, toe, step, rockin' step, walk, step, rock, turn, half, cha-cha, quarter, cha-cha, and sailor, left, right, turn, left, kick, ball change, cross and heel and cross, step, turn, step, and toe, step, rockin' step, toe, step, Simon says, restart, toe, step, rockin' step, toe, step, rockin', lock it, step, walk, step, rock, step, turn, cha-cha-cha, turn, cha-cha, and sailor, left, right, turn, kick, step, cross and heel and jog, box, quarter turn, step. Are you guys ready to try it? All right, so.